Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. Ethernet cable continuously disconnecting. So I giving you different method to solve the issues. First method. So guys, reconnect your Ethernet cable, and otherwise you check your Ethernet cable means LAN cable, Ethernet cable, both are same. This is guys Ethernet cable. You can check if you have a different cable to try and again connect to your computer and laptop. Okay, this is first method. Second method, restart your internet router. So if you have a internet on router, this is Wi-Fi router like this. So backside, otherwise you can remove the power cable of the router and again connect. Okay, next run network adapter troubleshooter. So click to start button and then click to setting, scroll down, then troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, then run this one, network and internet, run this one. Okay, next enable automatic DHCP. DHC full form name is Dynamic Host Control Protocol. So open control panel. So click to start button, type control panel. View by select category. Then guys click to internet, network sharing center. Then guys click to Ethernet. Then properties. Double click to IP version 4 and uncheck to IP version 6 if you using IP version 4. If you using IP version 6, so not unchecked. Okay, double click to IP version 4 and this is manual and this is automatic. Okay, select automatic, otherwise you have already automatic, so you can enter the manual IPs which is your range of your router IP, LAN IPs. Okay, then close. Next step, disable and re-enable Ethernet adapter drivers. So right click, driver manager, device manager, and then network. Okay, this is my LAN drivers. Intel, right click, disable, and then again right click to enable like this, disable, and this is, and again right click to enable. Then guys click to scan and hardware changes, then close it. Then guys prevent Windows from turn off the Ethernet means old driver, means your Windows is updating is coming and you click to update, so sometime automatically your driver update and facing that issue. So again right click to device manager, then again extract network and right click to properties. Okay, then click to resources, click to power management and check this allow computer turn on the Windows server port. Okay, then okay if you have turned off. Next, update your Ethernet drivers. This is very most important guys. Right click again and device manager, extract network and right click to update driver. And this is not already, I install latest, that's why it's come already installed. If not installing and coming any error, so manual download drivers. If you're using laptops, so search your model number. If you're using desktop, so type your motherboard model number and download LAN driver. Okay, this is so easy. Next guys, reset network setting. So firstly click start, then setting, then guys network and internet, then guys advanced, more setting, sorry, reset network setting, then click and then reset now. Okay, close. Then guys one more method, then guys click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay. First command is sfc/scannow. Look at in the screen. So when you enter some percentage like start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay. And then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. So almost first complete, then second just copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay. And then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys complete your process. Fourth count also done, then your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.